What makes reading such a popular and life changing habit that most of the successful people not only recommend developing it but also credit it for their success? Hello, my name is Tanvi and I am a pharmacist by profession. For most of my life, I have only read academic books, and after my studies ended, I very cleverly convinced myself that reading is something very boring. But something shifted. Today, reading is not just become my daily habit, but also I enjoy it. So, what changed? What sparked such a drastic transformation in me? In this video, I'll take you through my journey from someone who barely read to someone who can't go a day without reading. Plus, I'll share some steps that have helped me to develop this life changing habit. Reading has the power to shift your perspectives, to offer new ideas, to provide with invaluable lessons from the experiences of others, all of which contributes in changing your life. So let's dive into how you too can develop a reading habit that will leave a lasting impact. Like I mentioned earlier, that I had convinced myself that I wasn't someone who enjoyed reading books. That all changed when I became friends with someone who read a lot and had interesting conversations to make. That was the moment when my entire perspective on reading shifted. Many people like me may feel that they are done with reading after going through vast amounts of information that is provided by academic books. Once we finish our studies, it is very easy for us to see reading as something boring. And if you're someone who belongs to a healthcare profession like a doctor or pharmacist, then you may further limit yourself to reading books that are related to your profession, which helps you to stay updated and become a better professional. And don't get me wrong, that is important too. But we can't overlook the importance of reading books that go beyond our academics and profession. These books can generate new ideas, shift our perspectives, or simply influence the way we think. It's probably the smartest investment that we can make in ourselves. I was fortunate enough to meet someone who helped me to break out of that fixed mindset, viewing reading as something boring, and it reignited the curiosity in me. Currently, I enjoy reading nonfiction books, but there are times when I also enjoy reading fiction and autobiographies. It really depends on what interests me at the moment. It is easy to spend time watching short motivational reels or scrolling through social media. While it can give you a quick boost, it cannot shape your life in the same way reading books can. When you start by choosing topics that genuinely interests you, reading then becomes less of an effort and more of a rewarding experience. This approach will naturally help you to develop reading as a habit because you will not feel forced and you will look forward to it. By finding books that satisfy your curiosity and spark your imagination, you'll be more likely to make reading a consistent and enjoyable part of your daily routine. As a result, the habit will develop organically and you will be able to reap the benefits of expanded knowledge, fresh ideas, and new perspectives. When you pick up a book, don't pressure yourself to finish it within a few days. Start reading just a few pages a day. And if you're really busy, then reading just 2 pages is enough. Starting small is one of the most effective ways to build a habit. Research done by BJ Fogg, behavioral scientist at Stanford University, highlights that small habits are the key for long term success. In his research, Fogg explains that when we aim for small and manageable goals, it is easier for us to stay consistent. Small steps require less motivation and willpower, which means we are less likely to give up. Over time, these small steps accumulate and turn into significant progress without overwhelming us. When I was developing my reading habit, I actually started with listening to audiobooks. I would listen to them while traveling to office. This small step made reading more accessible, and after listening to interesting audiobooks, I was inspired to buy physical books. Eventually, I found myself enjoying the experience of reading books. James Clear in Atomic Habits also emphasizes this idea, explaining that tiny habits lead to bigger results. He highlights that improving just by 1% every day compounds over time to produce massive results. Even small efforts like reading a few pages a day can have a huge impact in the long run as these small actions accumulate and build momentum. Now I have incorporated reading into my morning routine. I like to read a few pages every morning. Incorporating reading either in your morning or your evening routine helps you to stay consistent with the habit and makes it feel natural over time. While not all books are written to offer you solutions, one effective way to make reading a lasting habit is to apply what you learn from them. Whether it is a new idea, inspiration, or a practical solution, when you apply those lessons into your daily life and see results, reading feels more purposeful and rewarding. For example, in many of my videos, I refer to application of ideas that have changed my life experiences. By putting these lessons into practice, reading transforms from just an activity to something that actively changes your daily life. Another tip is to keep a journal to write down what resonates with you as you read. This helps you to reflect on how to apply those lessons and ensures you can remember the key insights that you can use in different areas of your life. Over time, you'll notice that reading habit just does not give you knowledge, but it also helps you to evolve and improve in small or big ways. I like to keep track of the books that I have read by entering their titles in an Excel spreadsheet. This method allows me to reflect on my reading journey and also helps me to maintain a wish list of the books that I want to explore next. Tracking my reading not only helps me to stay organized but also serves as a source of motivation. When I look at the list, I can see how far I have come and the diverse topics that I have explored. It also encourages me to set new reading goals, whether it is reading certain number of books in a month or exploring different topics. Author James Clear in Atomic Habits emphasizes on making a habit attractive aligns with identity shift. When you see yourself as a reader, the habit becomes more appealing. This shift in self perception motivates you to engage in reading consistently. In this way, tracking my books provided me with evidence that helped me to shift my identity from a non reader to a reader. And this identity shift further reinforces my commitment to the habit, making me even more consistent in my reading journey. By organizing my reading this way, I stay inspired to keep going. If you'd like to see more videos, check out the ones which I've pinned here.